that mean that the testosterone is just like free testosterone inside of the body? Like if you took Bica and a lot of extra testosterone to block the testosterone but also have the high levels, would that just be like free testosterone? Earlier you mentioned free estrogen.
Yes. Well, actually, I think, yeah, you would have a lot of free testosterone in your body.
That would be interesting to see if it is possible to like boost your testosterone for feminizing therapy as like a
Yeah.
different. You can either block your T or you can push more for your T.
Yeah, that would be interesting. She also finds it really interesting. It's just that we don't know if it works. And
Yeah.
I would have tried it early in my transition, but at this point, I'm not really up for trying that.
Yeah.
So for any new people who want to, like, no, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I wouldn't push anyone to do that because we didn't even do like the whole research. Right now it's just an idea floating. It potentially could be done, but we're not even sure if it works or if it doesn't kill you or like nothing like that.
Or give you a heart attack or something.
Exactly. Apparently it's safe in the sense that it's prescribed to both women and men, that pill, that fertilizing pill. But yeah, with no like really bad side effects or something.
Oh.
And apparently it's really effective in boosting fertility in both. It was initially designed for women, but then they realized that it actually works for men too. They prescribed it for men too. Yeah, other than that, we're still, testing that whatever we do differently than what doctors recommend are actually safe, because the genital application of estradiol that I mentioned before, like, it appears to be safe, no side effects. All the studies that we read, even though a lot of them are like studies that show that applying estradiol genitally reduces the risk of prostate cancer, for example, or testicular cancer. Yeah, so it appears to be safe or even beneficial in some cases, but we don't really know for sure. Not enough people have documented.